buzzing in the pocket of my jeans. It's a friend from down the street. He's saying, let's get some coffee and you and something to eat. So we find a table in the sun by the window. Watch the people watch. Then you move into view and look in my direction. There it is, the undeniable connection. Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Oh, my friend takes a hike on his mountain bike. Now there's a seat with your name on it. Come on inside, let's talk a while. Wearing our feels like a minute. I'll be honest, the truth is upon us. We might be two or one yet to be. Not implausible, highly probable, more so than we could ever dream. Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Hope you see what I see. Hope you feel what I feel. Hope you want a life that is beautiful and different than the average life in America. On the street when you grew up with the neighbor, could always find something to complain about. Something to complain about. There's always something to complain about. Let's have the eyes to see. We don't have to live that way. I say yes, do it in a different way. I stayed too long at the party. 3 a.m. Shut my head.
This is Kabubao Island. Kabubao Island, or also known as Aroha Island Resort. This is number 14 on the top 20 list of the world's most beautiful places around the world by the Forbes magazine. So this is only here, 2017. So lucky enough, due to the storm here, that yet we have visited the most beautiful. So welcome to Kabubao Island.
Kabubao Island.
So this is also known as the Selfie Island. Okay? Because during the Yolanda Typhoon Island, this island was popularized because of the foreigners that came over here. And years later, guests coming in from the
eyes to see we don't have to live that way. I say yes, do it in a different way. In the window, watch the people watch. Then you move into view and look in my direction. There it is, the undeniable connection.
How big is the island?
Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you,
How big is it?
looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Oh, my friend takes a hike on his mountain bike. Down there's a seat with your name on it. Come on inside, let's talk a while. Wearing our feels like a minute. I'll be honest, the truth is upon us. We might be two or one yet to be. Not implausible, highly probable, more so than we could ever dream. Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at me, looking at you. Hope you see what I see. Hope you feel what I feel. Hope you want a life that is beautiful and different than the average life in America. On the street when you grew up with the neighbor who could always find something to complain about. Something to complain about. There's always something to complain about. Let's have the eyes to see we don't have to live that way. I say yes, do it in a different way. I stayed too long at the party, 3 a.m. when I shut my eyes. I was sleeping and dreaming till the sun was high and bright. I get up, surprise, I'm a little bit hungover. Cell phone buzzing in the pocket of my jeans. It's a friend from down the street. He's saying, let's get some coffee and you and something to eat. So we find a table in the sun by the window. Watch the people watch. Then you move into view and look in my direction. There it is, the undeniable connection. Looking at you, looking at me, looking at you, looking at you, looking at always something to complain about. Let's have the eyes to see. We don't have to live that way. I say yes, do it in a different way. I stayed too long at the party, 3 a.m. when I shut my eyes. I was sleeping and dreaming till the sun was high and bright. I get up, surprised, I'm a little bit hungover. Self